The GCH Guitar Academy Fingerstyle Guitar Course, Book 1. This video is introducing the playlist of the GCH Guitar Academy Fingerstyle Guitar Course, Book 1. And the playlist contains all the lessons in that course. Therefore, it's important that you locate the playlists. So I'll put the links to the playlists down below in the description. And when I say those, there's a right-handed version or standard version and the left-handed version for those of you who play left-handedly. This is now the second edition of the GCH Guitar Academy Fingerstyle Guitar Course, and I've published it in 2026. So if you've been studying the Fingerstyle Guitar Course or have studied it in the past, it'd be well worth going back to the website and re-downloading the PDF ebook, as it's been completely revised. However, don't panic if you're working your way through the original ebook and the original videos, because I'm well aware there's people doing this, so I won't be taking down the PDFs or the videos, and that's why I'm creating this new playlist. If you're new to this channel, you'll want to know how and where to download the latest PDF so you can go through the course. So here's how you get it. Firstly, go to www.ebooksforguitar.com, and on the homepage you'll find both a text link and an image link to register for the free downloads. When you click on one of those links, you're taken to another page where you're given the choice to either register to download the free PDF, or if you've already registered, you can just log in straight to the download page. So obviously click on the link that's relevant to yourself. To register for the free PDF downloads, you just have to leave a name and an email, and the download link will be sent directly to the email address provided. And I'm not gathering email addresses to send you spam or to sell on to a third party. I literally just store the database of email addresses and names safely and never use them. The main reason I ask people to register for the download is to maintain control over the copyright of the PDFs. If I was just to provide them free on the website, they'd soon become public domain, which means I wouldn't have any control over the copyright. Whereas by keeping them on a secure server where you have to log in to download them, I maintain control over the copyrights of my own material. Once you've entered the download area, you'll find multiple choices there. I'm leaving the old version up for people who are still working their way through that course. However, the most recent version of the Fingerstyle Guitar Course is the Fingerstyle E2. And you'll also find things like the First Steps Guitar Course. And that's because the Fingerstyle course is really recommended for people who can already play some guitar. So if you can't, I recommend you go through the First Steps course first. Basically, you should download anything you think you might need. And don't worry if you don't download it straight away. Make sure you keep the download details, and then you can always come back later. Now, if you do need a little bit of extra help to get started, the next video in the playlist will be an introduction, and only certain people will need to do it. In that lesson, there will be how to speed up your chord changes, how to read tablature, and how to read repeats and understand them. So if you already know that information, you'll be able to skip on to lesson 1. If you've arrived at this playlist and it's empty, don't worry, it'll soon fill up. Many of the lessons just have to be updated and republished. However, there's a few new lessons that I need to make as well. But even so, the playlist will soon start to fill up. And that's all I need to say for this video. But remember, if you want to be notified when I upload the new videos, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. And I have to give a really special thank you to the channel members, because without their support it wouldn't be possible for me to make these videos. And if you want to and can afford it, consider becoming a channel member. But if not, if you can't afford it or you don't want to, don't worry about it. Just watching the videos helps to support the channel. To finish this video off, here's the tunes you'll learn in Lesson 2, Lesson 3 and Lesson 4. Thank you very much for watching.